In the final segment, I'll do a failure test on the main structural component, which is this longitudinal rail here. We are now about to begin a load test on the mattress rail, and in order so you can follow it here, I've extended the pressure gauge readings here. This is 1,000 this line, 1,500 and 2,000 in case you can't see the dial gauge. Now this is an exact replica of the bed. This is the horizontal mattress rail, supports the mattress. This is the headboard leg. So that's the whole thing would be up to 90 degrees in a different position. And this will extend a load here, which will be partial pull out and partial shear. As I say, this is exactly the same size as this. Is a little bit deeper to fit in here, but that shouldn't affect the failure readings. This is joined the same way as the mattress rail on the bed. It's joined here, and there are 6 dowels here, which I'll bisect it later and show you that. And so let's get started. It's you have to recall that there's 4 of these joints on the bed. So if this fails at say 250 pounds, it means that the bed load capacity would be 1,000 pounds. So we'll just see. I have no idea what this is going to fail at. I've never done something of this type before. So we'll soon find out. There's 500. Approaching 1,000. $1,200. Approaching 1,500. I think we can say it's failed it at 1,700 pounds, which if you multiply that before is 6,000. That's like 3 tons, metric tons. So I think I can safely say that a joint done by Dalmax using the proper glue and done properly will not fail, and it will not pull out.